Want to forward Instagram updates to your Slack channel? Here's how to set it up with RSS app in under a minute. No code required. First, copy the URL of any public Instagram profile. Then open RSS app, paste the URL into the generator, and save your feed. Click the Slack icon on the right, log into your Slack account, and authorize RSS app to access your Slack workspace. Select your channel from the dropdown. If your channel is private or not showing, open it in Slack, go to Channel Details, open the Integrations tab, click Add an App, and add news alerts. Back in RSS app, click Reload and select your channel. Then hit Save. The latest 3 posts will be forwarded automatically, so you can verify the connection, and you can send older posts manually with the Send Post button. From there, you can swap the source, apply filters to exclude duplicates, or only get posts containing specific keywords. In the Settings tab, customize the bot's name and avatar, choose what appears in each post, just the title image, a custom button linking back to the original post, or only the URL, and change the embed color. Finally, check the History tab anytime to see exactly what was sent and when. That's it. Use the same steps to connect Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, and more to Slack. Try it now on RSS app.